Hey there, and welcome back to the VEX IQ Guide. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use pins in order to connect beams and other parts. This is really key, as it's what's going to allow you to build a strong foundation of your robot. Let's get started. Let's take a look at 3 of the most common types of pins and their purposes. First, we have the 1x1 pin, which is great for connecting one beam on each side of the pin. That's what we're going to be using in today's video, and it is the most common type of pin. Second, we have the 1x2 pin, which can be used to connect one beam on one side of the pin and 2 beams on the other. Finally, we have the 2x2 pin, which can be used to connect 2 beams on each side of the pin. Let's start by connecting 2 beams. What you want to do first is take one beam and take several pins that you should have. In order to connect a pin into a beam, you simply take the pin and place it in one of the holes of the beam. It should make a small popping sound, and that's how you know that it's securely fastened into the beam. You're going to want to do this for about 4 pins and connect them into the holes of the same beam. You can choose to do 2 though as well, as this will save a little bit of weight and some extra pins, but it's not as secure. After you have all 4 of your pins inside of your beam, we're going to take the other beam now. You want to align the pins into the holes of the other beam and pop the other beam into the holes. It should again make that clicking sound, which is how you know that it's securely fastened. Next, let's go over how to take off beams and pins. This is a really essential tool, as if you ever want to rebuild parts of your robot, this is how you're going to do it in order to save the parts. First, let's take the beam that we placed onto the original beam and gently remove it from the original one. It should come off pretty easily, and if you feel a lot of resistance, then just try again, as you don't want to damage one of the beams or pins. Next, the beam should have some pins in it, and we're going to go over how to take these out. What you want to do is you want to gently pop out the pin from the opposite side of the beam. It should come out pretty easily after you pull it out from the other end. You can do this for all of the pins in order to save all the pins and the beams. Next, let's talk about how to use pins for other mechanisms such as motors. Motors are a really key tool, as they're what's going to cause all of the movement in your robot, so knowing how to attach them is an essential skill. We're going to be placing our pins inside of the holes of the motor. I recommend placing between 4 to 6 pins inside of the motor to create a strong, stable connection between the motor and the beam. After we do that, we're going to be taking our beam, align it with the holes, and place it into the motor pins. In this video, we learned how to use pins in order to connect beams and other parts. This is a really key skill, as it's going to allow you to create a strong, stable foundation in all of your VEX builds. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks again, and that's all from the VEX IQ Guide. See you in the next one.